Have you ever wondered if the secret to a longer, healthier life could be hiding in plain sight on your dinner plate? Prepare to be amazed because groundbreaking research suggests that certain foods can actually supercharge your body's natural repair system, your stem cells. Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating world where nutrition meets cellular regeneration, guided by the pioneering work of Dr. William Li and other cutting-edge researchers. Imagine having the power to rejuvenate your body from the inside out, simply by making smarter choices about what you eat. It sounds like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming science fact. So grab a seat at the table and let's explore how you can harness the incredible potential of your own stem cells through the power of food. The stem cell revolution, more than just hype. You might have heard about stem cells in the news, often surrounded by controversy or promises of miracle cures. But here's the thing, your body is already packed with its own stem cells, waiting to be activated. These aren't the stem cells you'd get injected at some dubious clinic. We're talking about your body's built-in repair crew, capable of transforming into any type of cell needed for healing. Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician and researcher, has been at the forefront of uncovering how nutrition can influence these powerful cells. His work, along with other groundbreaking studies, is changing how we view the relationship between diet and cellular health. Stem cells, your body's secret weapon. Before we dive into the foods, let's understand why stem cells are so crucial. These cellular superheroes have two incredible abilities. One, self-renewal. They can divide and create more stem cells, maintaining a constant supply. Two, differentiation. They can transform into specialized cell types, from muscle to brain cells. As we age, our stem cell function declines, leading to slower healing and increased vulnerability to disease. But here's the exciting part. Research suggests we can influence this process through our diet. The stem cell superfood menu. Let's explore some of the most promising foods that may boost your stem cell function. Extra virgin olive oil, liquid gold for your cells. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just delicious, it's a powerhouse for stem cell health. Rich in compounds called oleocanthal and hydroxytyrosol, it protects and stimulates mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs. These are crucial for repairing various tissues in your body. Practical use. Drizzle. High-quality extra virgin olive oil on salads or use it as a base for dressings. Aim for at least 2 tablespoons daily to reap its benefits. Imagine drizzling your salad with a dressing that not only tastes great, but also revs up your body's repair mechanisms. How's that for a mealtime upgrade? Fatty fish, brain food, and more. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These healthy fats support neural stem cells, potentially boosting brain health and cognitive function. Practical use. Incorporate fatty fish into your weekly diet. Try grilling salmon or adding canned sardines to salads for an easy meal. Could your next seafood dinner be the key to keeping your mind sharp as you age? The science is pointing in that direction. Dark chocolate, a sweet surprise for your muscles. Here's a treat you can feel good about. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, contains epicatechin, a flavonoid that supports muscle stem cells. This compound may help with muscle repair and growth. Practical use. Enjoy a small square of high-quality dark chocolate after meals or as an afternoon snack to boost muscle health. Who knew that indulging in a square of high-quality dark chocolate could potentially help you bounce back faster from your workouts? Berries. Nature's colorful. Stem cell. Boosters blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are rich in compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants may help protect and stimulate various types of stem cells. Practical use. Snack on fresh berries, or blend them into smoothies. for an antioxidant-rich treat throughout the day. Next time you snack on berries, remember, they're not just delicious. They're also working hard to keep your cells healthy. Who knew snacking could be so beneficial? Green tea. Sip your way to stem cell health. Both green and black teas contain compounds that may increase the number of circulating stem cells in your bloodstream. This could potentially enhance your body's ability to repair and regenerate tissues. Practical use. Make it a habit to enjoy 1 or 2 cups of green tea daily. Consider it a soothing ritual that supports your health. Your daily cup of tea might be doing more than just waking you up. It could be awakening your body's regenerative potential. Overlooked gems. Surprising stem cell supporters. Now, let's uncover some lesser-known foods that might give your stem cells a boost. Spirulina, the blue-green powerhouse. This nutrient-dense algae has shown promise in stimulating the proliferation of bone marrow stem cells. It's rich in unique compounds that may support overall cellular health. Practical use. Add spirulina powder to smoothies or juices for an easy nutritional boost. Mushrooms, forest floor to cellular core. Certain mushrooms like reishi and cordyceps contain bioactive compounds that may support stem cell function. They've been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern science is starting to uncover their potential. Practical use. Incorporate mushrooms into stir fries or soups for both flavor and health benefits. Pomegranate, seeds of cellular renewal. Pomegranate juice has been shown to increase the function of stem cells in the brain, potentially supporting cognitive health and neuroplasticity. Practical use. Enjoy pomegranate seeds as a snack or add pomegranate juice to smoothies for an antioxidant punch. The Mediterranean connection. A lifestyle approach. Interestingly, studies have found that people following a Mediterranean diet have up to 5 times more circulating stem cells compared to those on other diets. This suggests that it's not just about individual foods, but an overall pattern of eating that supports stem cell health. Practical use. Embrace Mediterranean staples like whole grains, legumes, nuts, fruits, vegetables, fish, and healthy fats like olive oil as part of your daily meals. Beyond food, other factors influencing stem cells. While diet plays a crucial role, other lifestyle factors can impact your stem cells. Exercise. Regular physical activity has been shown to increase the number and function of various types of stem cells. Practical tip. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week combined with strength training exercises twice weekly. Sleep. Quality sleep is essential for stem cell regeneration and overall cellular health. Practical tip. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact stem cell function. Practical tip. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation or yoga into your routine to reduce stress levels effectively. The bonus tip, fasting for cellular renewal. Here's the game-changing insight I promised. Intermittent fasting may be a powerful tool for boosting stem cell activity. Research suggests that periods of fasting can trigger autophagy, a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Practical application. Start with a simple overnight fast, e.g., finish dinner by 7 p.m. and wait until breakfast at 7 a.m., and gradually extend it as you feel comfortable while combining this practice with meals rich in the foods we've discussed for maximum impact. A word of caution. While the potential of food to support stem cell function is exciting, it's important to remember that this field of research is still evolving. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have existing health conditions or concerns about medications you're taking. Your stem cell journey starts now. The power to influence your body's regenerative potential is literally at your fingertips, or rather at the end of your fork. By incorporating these superfoods into your diet alongside adopting healthy lifestyle habits like exercise and stress management techniques, you may tap into your body's innate ability to repair itself more effectively than ever before. So next time you're planning a meal or snack, think beyond just calories. Consider how each bite could nourish not just your body, but also enhance its natural healing capabilities. Are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure toward better cellular health? Try incorporating some of these foods into your meals this week and pay attention to how you feel afterward. Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others on their journey toward improved health. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to invest in your body's future. Here's to vibrant health from within.